So for this project or for this stitch, I have made a number of chain. I have chained 20 plus 1 for the demonstration. So for any project using this stitch, you need to do multiple of 2 plus 1 at the end. And now after this chain, I'm starting my first row. I'm doing 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook and 1 double crochet in the next chain. One single in the next. Okay. And 1 double in the next one. One single in the next and 1 double in the next one. We'll do the same till the end of this row, and then we'll be changing the color. 1 single, 1 double. So the last one's 1 single, and then the last is 1 double. So we started with a single crochet and we finish with a double crochet. So this is my first row completed. Now I'm gonna start my second row. Okay, so here I'm introducing the new color. So I'm gonna insert it here and I'll chain 1, keeping my threads tight, and then I'll turn. Okay, now wherever I did double crochet previously, I will do a single crochet on top, and wherever I did single crochet, and I'll do a double crochet. So here my last stitch from the previous row was a double crochet, so I will make a single crochet here, okay, and then onto the next one I will make a double crochet. And a single crochet. So basically the opposite. This is how you get the look of the stitch. Double, single, double, single, double, single, Oops. Okay, so basically what you need to do is changing color with each row. So now after the white, I will come back to the gray and then to the white, and that's how it is. It's very simple. You alternate between single and double crochet. So basically what you need to remember, under a single crochet, on top of a single crochet should be a double, and on top of a double crochet should be a single crochet. When you start your row with a single crochet, you should end up with a double crochet in each row. I hope the demonstration and the explanation was clear. Let me know what you think in the comment box, and if you have any ideas or anything you want me to crochet and demonstrate, please let me know. Until the next time, take care. Bye bye.